Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Acornbox login problem. Acornbox is a digital wallet and investment platform that helps you store, manage and invest your money easily, and it is designed for simple payment, saving and micro investing all in one app. And with Acornbox you can link your bank account, track spending and grow your money automatically. Because it is a financial app, logging in securely is critical, and if you're having trouble accessing your account, do not worry. Most problems are easy to fix. First, you can go to your app store here, check out for the Acornbox and ensure your Acornbox is up to date. Older versions may fail to log in, and you will find this update option just instead of the open, and you can simply select the update if there is any update required. And also make sure to check your internet connection, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or the mobile data connection. You can simply go to the notification bar and ensure your network or restarting your router can fix the connection issue as well. And sometimes you can also check the service status of the Acornbox. Sometimes login issue happen due to the Acornbox servers. Visit their website or the social media pages to confirm the outages. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix Acornbox login problem. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.